Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we try to understand the difference between select and dynamic select, which is using in Alteryx designer applications. So for that, first of all, we just need to drag and drop input tool and connect to your local data sources or any data sources. So I have already select the sample superstore, which is in Excel. Now when you select the select tool and drag and drop and connect to input tool, right? So what happened here is like input tool, you can see record, row ID, order date, and then select. When you click on select, here is option like you can select or unselect fields, you can change the data type, you can change the any size of data type, you can rename it, you can descriptions over there, or in the options over there is save field, configuration, load field names, selects or deselects options, sort by field name, sort by field type, revert to incoming field order, move to top or bottom. Okay, so this is the options. When you click on dynamic select tool, so here is select field type options, so you can select all, non, numeric, string, specials. When you click on numeric, so all the numeric field is selected. Click on string, all the string field is selected automatically. That's why it's called dynamic selects. Okay, and here is another option like select by a formula. So here is three options: variable, functions, and save expression. So variable is like your name, type, size, is kind, and constant is like your file path, your work flow path, your directory. Function is like conditional functions, conversions, date, time, files, so it depend on. And I also tell you all the related field in my later video, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can